Hey everyone. Well, we're here. We have Norman. Do you want cookies? I bet you want a cookie, huh? Yes, Norman, he heard the cookies, so he'll eat from the hand also. Almost out of cookies. Okay. But Norman, you're going to have to get down. I have to do this video. You going to let me do... you going to let me? I'm just going to start. Yes? Okay. Well, he ain't gonna move. Maybe he is gonna move. So, he's a good boy. You give head bumps. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna have to get you down. Okay. So I am committed to the JBC ordeal. I got a package. Got a couple packages. A couple items. This here is the micro DS360-A. Oh no, I opened up a box. He's gonna try to get in the box. But, this is the DR560. So somebody recommended in a comment the DS360. It is about the same size as the Hakko FM-2024. So I'll get a picture up on the website on this. Let's see if I can get a picture of Norman here. Getting these guys to pose is pretty difficult. Hey, Norman. Norman. He'll knock that box off. We don't want him to knock that box off. Norman. Maybe if I use a cookie, I can get him to look. Gotta get a picture. Did you approve? Are you done? Okay. Now he moves. So, all right. Well, let me do what I was going to do before he got in the way. You know, you can't pose kitties like a dog. So, that's all three of them there. Let me zoom in here so you can see the size comparison. Nobody seems to do this, and this was some of my questions when I was searching and just making my decision. So there you guys go. That's the sizes compared to an Hakko FM-2024. So we shall see you in the next video.